Happy Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing this week is I wanted to make, went to the Dollar Tree and I got some glass containers that have straws down in them. I'll show you those a little bit later. And I wanted to make some little drink cups for my husband and myself for the 4th of July. And I thought you might really like this. I ordered by Infusible Ink, but it won't be in until the day you're actually watching this. So that's what my next video is going to be, all about Infusible Ink, and I'm so excited for that. So I already have Design Space loaded up here on my screen, so I'm just going to go over here to the left where it says New Project and click on that. That's going to take us to our canvas. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go over here to the left where it says Images and click on that. And then go up here to the right corner in this little search box and just type in 4th of July. Now you could also do a Google search on the 4th of July and find you something that you are interested in. I'm just going to do this. Okay, let me just find the one that I want. Here it is. I think this would be really cute on our little glasses. So I'm picking red, white, and blue. I'm clicking on it, like I said, and it'll put a green box around it. Then we're going to the right-hand corner at the bottom where it says Insert Images. We're going to click on that, and that will put it on our canvas, okay? So I want mine to be, let's see what size. I think I have these little glasses here. Let me look. I think I want them to be 3 wide. Okay. Maybe just a little bit over 3 wide. And then, let's see. Probably, I'm going to leave it like that, almost 3 in height, okay? And let me zoom in right here so you can see. I hope you can see up here, okay? So all I'm going to do, if you go over here to the layers panel, you will see this is a cut, okay? And I'm just going to go to the right top corner, make it, and it will sort it on my mat. This is all going to be on one mat, and it's going to say red, white, and blue, and it's set to cut. Now I don't have to mirror this, so I'm not going to have to mirror this one, okay? So I'm just going down here to the right hand bottom corner where it says continue, and I just turned on my machine, and I'm going to click that, and it's connecting to my Cricut's connecting to my computer, okay? And I need to set my Cricut on vinyl, okay? And now I'm going to be switching to my phone so you can see what I'm going to do. Okay, now all I've done, I had a scrap piece of this holographic material that I had, vinyl that I had used. It's not the one that I put on the shirt, but it's another one. And it's always good to save your scraps. It's blue, it may be hard to see, and I'm just braying it on here so that I have the light grip mat so it will stay. I really need to clean my mat. It's losing its stickiness. And I think I'm going to do a video on how to clean it. Plus, it's really looking nasty. Now, these are the little jars that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think they're so cute. And what you want to do is just clean them with some rubbing alcohol beforehand. And I've already done that, so the vinyl will adhere nicely. You're also going to need some of this transfer tape, but you can reuse it. Okay, so all I'm going to do is load this in my machine. And then I'm going to hit the C that's blinking. then it will start cutting. But as you all can see, I have my Cricut and my computer in my craft room, and I'm loving it. It makes it so much easier to film my Cricut videos. And you load your vinyl facing up on this. But I think this is going to be so adorable on these little glass jars that are already red and white, and then put that blue on there. So I think this is really going to be a cute project. And I will have to do this twice. I could have, had I thought, I could have duplicated it and cut it out at one time. So that's a thought for you if you're new. Like, you know, I'm new, and sometimes I forget that you can actually duplicate like that. I could have cut 2 of these out at the same time. Now I'll just have to make another one. But that's not that big of a deal, but you can duplicate it so you wouldn't have to cut this separately twice. Okay, now I'm going to unload this, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and I won't have you watch me cut the next one, and then we'll come back and we'll weed this one. I'll be right back. Okay, I've cut the other one out, and I'm just going to leave it right here while I weed it. I think it's a lot easier if you weed them while they're on this mat. You just get a hold of the edge with your little weeder tool, and then you just slowly pull all around. Now this one's a little different because it has like almost a shadow effect. So it's going to be a little bit more to weed, but it's really pretty. Okay, so I hope you can see. Okay, you just have to start paying attention with this one and just weed out what is supposed to come out, because it has like I said, a shadow layer to it. And I'm gonna put this right here. I've already done the other one off camera because I knew it would take me a while. And you could just stick this to your fingers. It seems to be what it wants to do anyway. Okay. But I think these are going to make really pretty glasses for the 4th. Okay. And then let's see, the inside of the W actually comes out on this one because it has like this shadow effect. This is what I was talking about right here. It's like a shadow effect. So it takes a little bit of time to do this one. But it's really not hard. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the inside of the H out. You just really have to pay attention to your design. I think maybe it's starting to come through like that now. I think you can see that, okay? To come this way. And then that pop that out, and then all I have to do is take my inside of my eye out. But you can see that's really going to be pretty. And then right in here, there's a little piece right here that has to come out. And then and we are almost finished. The only thing else that we have is this inside of this E. Okay, now we have this exactly like we want it. I'll put this over here, get it out of the way. Okay, so now all you have to do is just get your transfer tape, which you definitely can reuse, and just put it on there. Okay. All right, and then just get you a credit card, an old credit card, or one of these scrapers. I have a large one and I have a small one, and just adhere it to the transfer tape. I'll be back once it's adhered. And then to see if it's adhered, you just start peeling at an angle. And then right here it wasn't adhered, so I need to work on that section a little more. And then this E. And just keep peeling it back. And then we have a section here that's not adhered very well. Okay, you can see it came off nicely. Then all you have to do is get your mason jar that's clean and that you have cleaned with your rubbing alcohol, and just figure out where you want to put it and put it right on there, and then just start rubbing your jar. And it's the same principle. You just rub it till it's adhered nicely and you peel it off at an angle. You could put your name on these. You could put whatever you wanted to. This would even be good, like if you were watching a game, you could put the name of the game, of the team on there. And that's not adhered yet. And just keep pulling it back. And it looks like it's all, just go slow. And there is our really pretty drink cup. I think these are so pretty. Let me put this up just a little bit. But this is what you have. I know it's probably hard to see them, but that's what you have. Red, white, and blue. And they're so glittery. And then when you put the drink actually in here, it'll really stand out what it says. But I think those are really cute. It's so hard. But that's what you have. They are so, so cute. And they're so easy to do. I think maybe that gives you a better look at them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.